Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to create a layer. So if you want to create layer, you can type a layer and press enter to be show for the layer properties dialog box. And to create new, you can click this tombol icons, new layer. And you can set the names like I will set into example, and for color you can change into red color. Now to apply to objects, like here I will draw circle. And the next you can select the circle object. Go to the properties. You can change the layer here into example layer. So it will be changed into red color. I will create again new layer. Green. And then I will set the color to green. Now you can select the object and then change the layer to green. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to create a layer.